Hi, my name is Yazan Ibrahim, also known as Yazan Abu Ghosh. Today we will talk about Chapter 3, Part B, Information Systems Implementation, 3.6 Configuration and Release Management Configuration. And release management might sound like technical jargon, but beneath the buzzwords lies the backbone of modern IT systems. Picture this: a bustling city filled with roads, traffic lights, bridges, and skyscrapers. For everything to work seamlessly, from electricity powering homes to traffic flowing smoothly, there needs to be precise coordination, planning, and maintenance. IT systems are just like that city, with intricate networks of software, hardware, firmware, and connectivity holding everything together. And how do we ensure this city never grinds to a halt or succumbs to chaos? Through the meticulous processes of configuration, change, and release management. Now imagine this IT city has critical lifelines like power grids and communication systems that must remain operational at all times. Configuration management is like a master urban planner who knows every street, building, and utility connection inside out. It ensures all components, the city's hardware, software, and network cables, or their IT equivalents, are mapped out, tracked, and consistently controlled. Without this knowledge of the system's blueprint, we'd face unreliable performance, sudden breakdowns, or even vulnerabilities to security threats. In essence, configuration management ensures the IT landscape is reliable, available, and most importantly, secure. But managing an IT system is more than just keeping track of its components. Changes are inevitable. Businesses constantly evolve, requiring systems to adapt to keep pace. Whether it's integrating a new feature, patching a security loophole, or upgrading hardware, every change to the environment is like introducing a new bridge or rerouting traffic in our city analogy. And just as poorly planned construction can lead to traffic nightmares or even bridge collapses, uncoordinated changes in IT systems can cause operational disruptions or data loss. This is where change management comes in, assessing, planning, and approving every modification to ensure that the proverbial traffic keeps moving without hiccups. Here's how change management works alongside its partner processes. Any proposed change must first be formally documented. This includes specifying what needs to be altered, understanding its impact on the system, and obtaining the green light from a team of experts, like an urban planning committee. These committees, often called configuration control boards, meticulously evaluate the proposed changes for risks, consequences, and compatibility before giving their approval. From there, the changes pass through a series of checkpoints, just like inspections during construction, to ensure everything is executed safely and consistently. But wait, there's more. For changes to actually make their way into the system, they must be thoroughly tested and properly planned for release. Release management is like opening a brand new bridge to the public. Every detail must be accounted for, not just the bridge itself, but how it connects to existing roads, how traffic flow will be rerouted during the transition, and even what to do if the bridge doesn't hold up as expected. Similarly, in IT, a new system version or software update is built from rigorously managed baselines, the secure, reliable starting points of every change. These baselines become the safety nets, the recovery options that ensure systems can always revert to a trusted state if something goes wrong. Even more fascinating is how configuration management interweaves itself with both change and release management. For instance, every step of the process, from identifying affected components to testing and deploying changes, is carefully documented, creating an unbroken chain of accountability. This systematic process ensures more than just smooth day-to-day operations. It also provides valuable insights during audits. For an IS auditor, these documentation trails are gold, offering proof of an organization's commitment to sound practices and meticulous control over its IT environment. And of course, in our tech-driven world, there's no need for all these processes to rely solely on human effort. Just as city planners use tools like simulations or mapping software, IT teams use specialized configuration management systems to automate and streamline their work. These tools not only keep track of every hardware component, every line of code, and every network connection, but also actively assist in change and release management. For example, they flag which configuration items might be impacted by a proposed change, track adjustments as they're implemented, and ensure that any new version of a system is built exclusively from approved and baselined items. Think of these tools as control towers, monitoring every detail of the IT city to keep it running seamlessly. But automation doesn't mean the human element vanishes. Effective configuration management still requires careful planning, procedures, and above all, management support. It's a system-wide effort that extends far beyond software, capturing documentation, procedures, test plans, even operational manuals, because everything plays a role in ensuring the IT infrastructure remains robust and reliable. So what's the takeaway here? In the ever-expanding city of IT, configuration, change, and release management are the architects, planners, and maintenance crews that keep it growing and thriving. They prevent chaos by maintaining clear documentation, ensuring seamless transitions during updates, and providing a safety net for when things go wrong. They do the heavy lifting behind the scenes, so the systems we rely on, whether for work, entertainment, or daily life, function effortlessly. With these processes in place, organizations not only meet regulatory requirements, but also achieve that precious balance of reliability and adaptability. And in the fast-paced, interconnected world of IT, that's nothing short of extraordinary. Thank you for watching, and as always, continue learning, stay curious, and we'll see you next video.